Hey guys, I'm going to show you how to do a beanie today using the sleeve station and the 5.1 hoop. First thing I'm going to do is take my backing hoop, set it in the slide. As you can see, I have it set to the very edge. I'm going to put my stabilizer in. When doing beanies, you want to use a thick stabilizer. This is a 3mm cutaway. Then I'm going to take my cuffed beanie. As you can see, I got the cuff right here. So I'm going to put my hand inside, hold this and pull this so the cuff is staying the right way. Flatten it out. Got my tag on the bottom. I'm going to stretch. As you can see the threads, you don't want to stretch it, so you stretch the back side like this. Slide it over the hoop. Can you see that? Slide it over and make sure your seams are straight. You don't want to set it all the way in. I like to leave it about maybe an inch away from the edge right here on the inside of the thing. Make sure your seams are straight. I have a BAI machine, so I make sure my groove is on the right side facing up. Click it. Make sure that you have your beanie, see, straight across. You want to make sure that's nice and straight, flat. So again, put it on, a little adjustment. There we go. Simple as that. And when you put it in the machine, it's ready to go. Now you have to use maybe 2 inch so you can get a nice center on your cuff. And then you'll end up with a beautiful product every single time. I hope this video was helpful. Enjoy and have a good day. Hi guys, Eric here with S4L Customs, and in my last video I showed you how to use the 5.1 in the sleeve station to hoop a beanie, cuffed beanie. This time I'm going to show you how to put it into the machine, put it on the machine, and set it up. So usually when I'm doing my patterns for beanies on cuffs, I want to make sure it's not any taller than 2 inches. So I'm going to pull the back side down, put it over the arm, put it on my machine. I'm using a BAI mirror machine. I put it on the machine. I have already put my pattern in with the 5.1 hoop stationed. Let me zoom in a little bit here so you can see the screen a little bit better. There you go. So I want to make sure my pattern's up at the top, inside the lines. I'm going to hit trace. I'm going to hit outline trace. I'm going to press OK. I'm going to make sure when the machine is running, you can see, I can see the bottom of the hoop, and I can make sure it's not above this cuff line. That's where it's going to fold. So I've already run this beanie. I've already run this beanie before, so I know exactly where it's going to go. And it really is just as simple as that. After my trace is done, and I'll make sure I'm above my cuff and below my top. I'm going to turn this to cancel. Turn on my embroidery mode. And then run my machine. And you'll come out with great looking beanies with the cuff every single time. Alright, I hope this video was helpful, and thanks for watching.